Amazing Grace is another Percy's Fast Food Toy Story. Yay!
Amazing Graces!
Another Percy's Fast Food Toy Story.
Yay! Amazing Graces!
Another Percy's Fast Food Toy Story.
Yay!
Hello, what's up guys? My name is Percy and I'm the Guinness World Record holder for the largest collection of fast food toys. Yeah, baby. Okay, how you doing? So I'm here once again to tell you another amazing and stupendous and awe-inspiring Percy's Fast Food Toy Story, and boy have I got a toy for you. Our toy for today is none other than it looks like a very colorful parrot from McDonald's Happy Meal in Japan from 2013, and they are from a series of toys called Touch the Happy. Okay, so this is a pretty awesome looking bird. Now it has some switch here, and then I think when you switch it on, it would actually make some sound. What's that sound? Okay. Okay, so it's still making a sound, and considering that it was given 2013, that was 7 years ago, when you try to switch it, it actually still makes the sound. But originally, I think it's supposed to do like this. One should press on this metallic thing over its wings, and then point the other finger here. It will make a distinct sound, and then when you move it to the other metallic button, it will make another sound, and then another sound for here. But right now, I think the mechanism or the gimmick of the toy is in disarray. But I'm glad that it's still making some sounds, so it's pretty awesome. So these are basically the sounds that this particular bird is supposed to make whenever you're actually touching them. That is why they're called Touch the Happy. So you simply have to touch all of these metallic buttons, and it will bring about all sorts of parrot sounds from our parrot from Touch the Happy. Isn't this great? Such a lovely toy. Okay, yeah, 2013. Now, since this is now officially a part of my Percy's Fast Food toy collection, I am going to sign this to make her officially a part of my Percy's Fast Food toy collection. Okay, so there you go, Percy. Now, I must say, this is just amazing grace. Look at the colors of the bird. Is this a parrot? Cockatoo? Oh, you know, I think it's parrot. Now, I must say this is just an amazing grace. So once again, guys, let's try to be thankful to God for all the amazing grace that come into our lives. Be they in the form of a parrot from McDonald's Happy Meal in Japan way back in 2013, from a series of toys called Touch the Happy. Such a wonderful toy and a great addition to my Percy's Fast Food toy collection. Look at the pink flowers. The pink flower in the hair. Okay, I guess the bird is from Hawaii. These are, you know, traditions in Hawaii, basically, the putting of the flowers. And I suppose in that tropical country, Hawaii, there are certainly a lot of parrots that can be seen there. Okay, yeah, let's be thankful for this wonderful toy. So beautiful. Or basically, guys, let's be thankful for every amazing grace, be they small or big, be they seemingly insignificant or the truly eventful ones, or just about every amazing grace that make our lives a lot more happy and jolly. And I thank you guys for always tuning in to Percy's Fast Food Toy Story. Thank you to the new subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe, or tell your friends to also subscribe, because we still have a lot more Percy's Fast Food Toy Stories up my sleeves. Okay, so until the next one, bye-bye for now, and hope to see you again. Bye. Here's the parrot from Touch the Happy. How about another sound?
Gracias!